So hello guys and welcome back. So in this video we are going to learn how to uninstall Android Studio completely from your PC. We will uninstall Android Studio, its SDK and its all dependencies which are installed currently in our computer. So if you are new to our channel, then it is a request to please subscribe to our channel because we have been bringing a lot of free courses, material and courses for you. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So guys, to uninstall the Android Studio, first you will have to close the Android Studio program and you have to go into the control panel. And from here, you will have to uninstall the Android Studio. Double click on it, click yes. And from here, check this box, Android user setting is also going to be removed from your PC. Click next. And click uninstall and click yes. So guys, first step is completed. Now we will have to remove the Android Studio files. For this I will go into my Windows and click the run button, and from here I will type user profiles and percentage plus enter. Let me delete the S. And from here you have to delete all things related to Android Studio. So first of all we are seeing the Gradle. Press and delete it. And in the same way, we have to go into the C drive and from here the program files and delete this Android directory from here. And now it's time to delete the SDK of Android. For this, I will go into the run again. And from here, I will type local app data. And this is the Android SDK. So simply have to delete it. So okay guys, our Android Studio is completely uninstalled from our system. If I'm go to the Android and if I'm going to click on it, it will say that the Android Studio is deleted, and click yes button to delete this shortcut. So now you simply have to restart your PC and uninstallation process is completed. So guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like, share our video, comment on our video and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video.